Hello, my name's Rob and I'm one of the technicians from the Engineering Applications Workshop. This video is intended as to show you all the changes that we've had to make over the summer for your safe return to the workshop. One of the first things you're going to find is that the area is now a face mask area. So if you're coming into the workshop, you're going to have to wear a face mask just like we're all going to. A lot of the things that we do in the workshop are timetabled, but the vast majority of the stuff that we do in the workshop is non-timetabled. As a first port of call, what you might want to do is look on the screen to see what we are doing that particular day, because it's all on the screen if we are timetabled. But we are also going to introduce a booking system for non-timetabled stuff. We're going to talk about that in a few moments. So if we'd like to come on inside, we're going to walk through the workshop and show you the changes that we've made. One of the first areas you come into the workshop is our changing area and our hand washing facilities. What we've done is screened off the individual taps to make sure that you're nice and safe when you're washing your hands. It is a small area, so what we've done is introduce some more changing areas for your coats and your bags, so this is not our only one. There are sanitising stations all around the workshop to make sure that we are safe, because this is still going to be a very much hands-on experience for the students. But we do need to have some diligence and make sure that you're all safe, keeping our hands nice and clean. One of the first things you do in Freshers Week is you will be issued with your personal protection equipment, your PPE. That consists of your boots, your overalls, your safety glasses, and this year we're going to give you some masks. Unfortunately, in the past what we've had is shared safety glasses for students that are just coming in to visit. This year we're not going to be able to issue any shared safety glasses. So if you are a returning student, you're going to have to make sure you've still got your safety glasses from your Part A. If you do not have safety glasses, you will not be coming into the workshop, so you might want to, before you come back to the university, just make sure you've got your safety glasses somewhere. They're easily available in various shops and on the internet. Now we're in the workshop itself, 550 square metres of floor space. To help with social distancing, the overall capacity of students coming into the workshop has been reduced, and individual classes have also been reduced to help with social distancing. For non-timetabled events, each machine now is numbered, and that's going to help with the booking system that we have introduced. We're going to talk about that again in a moment or two. I'm now going to pass you over to my colleague Lee, and he's going to take you through the rest of the changes that have happened in the workshop.
My name's Lee Partington and I am the school's fabrication and welding instructor. I've been passed on from Rob just to cover the final few changes we've made to the workshop to make sure you new students and returning students are working in a safe manner. I'm actually stood in the CNC area because what we're really interested in here is our booking files. There is one for each of the 4 areas within our workshop, and what we would like is students to come down personally and book a slot or a machine with Rob. Okay, please do not email us, otherwise our email system is going to be swamped with requests and we're going to spend a lot of time trying to sort this out, so it's better off if you come down individually. The minimum PPE requirement for booking slots will be a face mask and your safety glasses. If you turn up without these, I'm afraid we're just going to ask you to leave us. Okay. All the information we're going to ask to put in the individual time slots is your student number. This allows for traceability in line with the current situation that we are dealing with. And what we're trying to do is just keep everybody nice and safe. We've moved down into the fabrication area of the Engineering Applications Workshop, and hopefully you can see from the video that we've got a number of benches, like the machines, numbered up, and these will be booked out on the booking out sheets for students to use during non-timetabled activities. Our hand tools are obviously behind me here. For Part A's, these are here for you guys to use, okay? For Part B's and C's, they already know that they are down here, but please, between each use, there will be packets of sanitising wipes around for you to wipe down things like hammer handles and things like that. And again, please dispose of them in the correct bin. This walkthrough video is not a replacement for the practical training that certainly the Part A's receive, and any reminders that the Part B's and C's and returning students might need to brush up on. Therefore, that training will take place on timetabled sessions. We've walked through from the fabrication area into the universities or Wolfson schools industry standard welding bays. Unfortunately, this year, and until it is safe to do so, the practical welding training will not take place, because obviously we can't have loads, a number of students and myself in a small welding bay like this. It is unsafe to be doing so at this point in time. However, as soon as it is deemed safe, or we get guidance from government or the university, then I will be quite happy to pick this little bit of the training session that you miss out on. But, and however, if you need anything welding during that time, you've just got to come and see me, and I'm quite happy to sort it out for you. We're at the end of the Wolfson School and more towards the rear of the building, and as you can see, what we've put out is a line of barriers around the edge of the school to create a walkway. We've created a walkway because it's a safer way of getting the students into the workshops, because unfortunately the goods inwards is at the rear of the building and delivery vans are still going to have to use this space as well. So if you want to follow on, I'll show you a couple of the doors. This is the entrance for my area, the fabrication and welding area, and there's just a reminder on the door that obviously you're going to need your face mask on or face covering just for, while it's necessary. Okay, if you follow on. And this is Rob's entrance for the CNC area, and again just a reminder there. And the barriers will go right the way down to the back door of the building.